Is it the right time to buy or sell shares of PayPal? In this video, we will provide you with an in-depth analysis of PayPal. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, November 3, 2023, and now we're here to give you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has ranked PayPal as a hold/accumulate, with a score of -0.07. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has seen some natural fluctuations, resulting in a gain of 1.89%. This means that on average, it has yielded a return of 0.94% per day since being listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently experiencing a steady decline in the short term, indicating a downward trend. Based on the past 3 months, there is a potential -15.26% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. This means the stock could return anywhere between -25.12% and -11.61%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, the trend suggests a -26.20% change in the stock's value. This translates to a potential return between -38.77% and -9.04%. In terms of price, the stock could range from $34.35 to $51.03 after a year. Our latest update on PayPal brings good news. The stock price experienced a 1.89% gain on the last trading day, Friday, November 3, 2023. It rose from $55.06 to $56.10. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $55.38 and a high of $56.27, showing a 1.6% range. It's worth noting that the price has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a 5.08% increase over the past 2 weeks. However, the volume of shares decreased by 17 million on the last trading day, with a total of 18 million shares being bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $1.02 billion. It's important to consider that a decrease in volume on higher prices can indicate divergence and potentially signal upcoming changes in the market. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached was $92.62, while the lowest was $50.25. Currently, the stock price stands at a 39.43% difference, or $36.52, below its 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 81.91% lower than its all-time high, which occurred on July 26, 2021, when the price reached $310.16. In today's analysis of PayPal stock, we have identified several important signals. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal for PayPal. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. This conflict suggests a more negative forecast for the stock. Keep in mind that the long-term average currently stands above the short-term average. If the stock continues to rise, it will face resistance at $56.43, the level of the long-term moving average. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it may find support at $52.54, the level of the short-term average. Breaking above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while falling below the short-term average will strengthen the sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. Looking at recent trends, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, October 27, 2023, resulting in an 11.33% increase in the stock's value so far. This suggests further upward movement until a new top pivot is identified. However, it's important to note that volume decreased during the last trading day despite price gains. This divergence between volume and price could be an early warning sign and should be closely monitored. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence-divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots are showing a buy signal that occurred 6 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy signal that occurred 6 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal that occurred 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal that occurred 36 days ago. There was a buy signal in the relation between the short and long moving averages 32 days ago. Now, if we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average shows a buy signal that occurred 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal that occurred 67 days ago. There was a buy signal in the relation between the short and long moving averages 58 days ago. Remember, for more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for PayPal. PayPal has found support from accumulated volume at $55.06. This support level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when it is tested. This means that the stock price is likely to bounce back. When considering the risk associated with trading PayPal, it is important to note that this stock has average movements during the day and a good trading volume. Therefore, the risk is considered to be medium. In the last day, PayPal's stock price fluctuated between a high of $55.95 and a low of $55.06, representing a price movement of 89 cents or 1.6%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.6%. Before we explore potential trading levels for PayPal, let's first review some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower P/E ratio could indicate a pessimistic outlook for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, which could present a potential buying opportunity. In other news, PayPal's upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023 is expected on February 8, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $1.41. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for PayPal. If PayPal is experiencing an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $59.47. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the flip side, if PayPal is facing a downward trend, take note of its first support level at $55.06. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point with the anticipation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $54.10, which represents a decrease of 3.56% from the current price. This stock is known for its moderate daily movements, which translates to a medium level of risk for investors. We have identified a buy signal based on a pivot bottom that occurred 5 days ago. Is PayPal stock a good buy? While PayPal holds several positive signals, we don't believe they are enough to consider it a buy candidate at this time. Instead, we recommend holding or accumulating positions in this stock and waiting for further development. When analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, November 6, we expect PayPal to open with a decrease of $0.186 and start trading at $55.91. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We highly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please be aware that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Let us know in the comments if you agree or disagree. Don't forget to share your target for the stock as well. And if you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. From all of us here at Stock Invest, we wish you successful trading and a beautiful day.